camera here. I'm gonna start sweating. It's hot down here. Is anybody else hot?
I'm still wearing my jacket.
What's going on, shooters? It's Jones Photo 91 at Instagram. I am going to do a unboxing for you, Kevin.
What's in the box?
I'm glad you asked, Kevin. I got a box, but I'm going to preface this by saying, back when I was a kid, my dad he left this earth with 3 retirements. It took us, we didn't have a lot of really cool stuff growing up. So it was the little things that made us happy. And it's still the little things that make me happy, even though I can afford whatever the I want. So I want to share my unboxing with you from B&H Photo. B&H. What I have ordered myself is the Epson V600. And the reason I ordered this is because I shoot a lot of medium format film, and I've been going to the local camera store, Robert's Camera, to have, I developed a film here myself, here in the dungeon, and I take the film to Robert's Camera and they would scan it for me. Well, I'm going to start cheating on Robert's Camera. I went out and bought myself from B&H Photo, Epson V600, had great reviews, and I want to do the unboxing with you because this will do medium format film. Of course, it won't do large format. You go from a medium format scanner to a large format scanner, there's probably $300 to $400 difference. So it's the little things. Here we go. Grab my little toothpick and we shall start carving. Oh God, oh God. Okay, I'm good. Ooh, bubble wrap stuff with air in it, plastic. We have air bubbles. Love them. All right. All right, here we go. All right. A box in a box. Kevin? A box. Yes. Look at that, man. How awesome is that? My shipping's only want you to see my address. Check that out. I am so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. It's the little bitty tiny things. So let's get breaking this bad boy open. Grab the toothpick. And away we go. I bet you're thinking, he's gonna cut himself right in the face. And I'm thinking to myself, that wouldn't be the worst that has ever happened to this face. You're born with the face for radio. Knives don't scare me. Alright, here we go. I'd stand up, but I got my underwear on. There we go. We have, looks like a serial cord or some type of cord here. We'll go ahead and bust it open. Let's take a look. I'm messy. Throw it all in the box here. This cord here, I don't know if you can focus in on that. All right. One more time. That cord came with it. Here we go. Let's get this cardboard condom off of it. Holy. Hang tight to get rid of all the packing and everything. Drop some important stuff. Okay. What we have here is the software. And a lot of Chinese writing. We do have the software. We have another cord here. Let's take a look. This looks like the power cord. So we do have the power cord. And here's the brick for the power cord. Here's the brick. So we have the power cord, the brick, some sort of connector cable for the computer, USB to... We have our plates. As you can see, 35 millimeter slides. You have your 35 millimeter, you have slides, and you have your medium format to 120 film plates, adapter plates. So I love that. This is the holy grail for me. Get the rest of this off of here. Kevin?
What's in the bag?
Well, I'll show you, Kevin. Oh my God. It's an Epson V600. I'm so shocked and surprised. And trust me, my credit card's not surprised. All right. And here we go. They packed it really, really well. Epson, you did a great job of packing. And shout out to B&H Photo for the outer box. Everything looks great, man. So far, so good. This is a beauty. Okay, we've got it taped closed for shipping. Pull the pretty blue tape. Let's take a look. Oh my God, is there more? Hallelujah. Look at this. What a beaut. I cannot wait to get this unit into operation. The Epson V600. I bought it for the medium format film scanning. As I develop my own film here at home, I would like to also scan my film here at home. So Robert's camera, again, Robert's camera, I am sorry I'm cheating on you. I had to bust it out, man. So it's going to take a few days and get everything set up. Learn the ways of the V600, and I cannot wait to start putting film through this beautiful, beautiful scanner. All right, guys, like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. I love it. And follow me on Instagram, JonesPhoto_91. See you on the streets. Hey, cut. I'm gonna go get a fan. It is f***ing hot, man.